everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming a product review after a really long time. I kind of stopped filming product reviews because I thought I was adding on to this overconsumption social media trend. Plus, I'm really not into these viral trending skincare products. Like, I just really don't want to do that. I'm very particular about the products I use, but I got into this trend and I got influenced by social media, and I purchased the viral beauty of Huzanis Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. This is SPF 50. So this looked good. I did a little research and everybody was talking about it. I saw hundreds and hundreds of videos on social media. Dermatologists really liked it. Just general people really liked it. Everybody was like so in love with this SPF, and I thought, you know what? I like sunscreen, the tire of a skincare, and I have filmed a bunch of other sunscreen videos also for you earlier, so I thought let's just try this one. And this is not the first bottle of it. I've already gone through one tube of it. This is almost towards the end of its life also. So yeah, I've used it in summer months, in winter months, and throughout the year. And I have some concerns that I want to raise in this video because recently I got to know about some really interesting facts about this SPF that are kind of a shock to me and will be a shock to you also. So stay tuned for all of that. Okay, so we all know that social media can be a little deceiving. Okay, whatever you see online is not the true or 100% reality. And while everybody was really loving the product and talking about the great ingredients, which by the way this one had, so this one has water and then rice extracts and all of the good great ingredients. This one is a chemical sunscreens. Now, chemical sunscreen and physical sunscreens are two different kinds of SPF. Chemical sunscreens are based on chemicals, and I'm not really against any of that, but the physical sunscreens slash mineral sunscreens are kind of sunscreens that work in terms of a physical barrier to your skin, so they are a little harder to work with sometimes. That's why most of the mineral sunscreens are a little bit tinted so that they don't give you a white cast. This, on the other hand, is a chemical sunscreen, and chemical sunscreen generally don't have a white cast because they absorb into your skin and then protect your skin from all the damaging UVA and UVB rays. So this one, as everybody was talking about, doesn't give you a white cast, is actually not a big thing because a chemical sunscreen is not supposed to give you a white cast anyways. Okay, now coming on to, it gives a very healthy glow. It looks very nice on the skin. It's very lightweight. Yes, all of that is true, but if you have oily acne prone skin like mine and you live in a hot humid environment, this can get a little too oily or a little too greasy. So that's something that you need to consider. Okay, so the second thing is, and here is where things get really interesting. So I was watching this video by Dr. V recently. If you don't know who she is, I'm gonna link the video down below for you. She's a dermatologist and also a cosmetic formulator. She knows a lot of things about all these little elements and chemicals that you add in skincare and stuff. So she actually talked about in her video that the SPF element in this SPF, there is a synthetic chemical element which actually is not FDA approved in US, and I know that there are a bunch of Korean skincare products that are not available in US because they have some FDA regulation stuff going on with the product. This element जो कि पार्ट है इस सनस्क्रीन का, आई एम नॉट इवन गोना ट्राई टू रीड इट आउट लाउड, ठीक है, इट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग नेम। की जो पावर है टू ब्लॉक UVA रेज वो अराउंड 354 nm है, वाइल UVA रेज की जो स्ट्रेंथ है वो 400 nm तक जाती है, which means कि it is not actually protecting your skin that much, but it claims to be a 4+ SPF, which is kind of a little bit gray area. And you can just think about yourself. If you work in sun all the day, or if you sit by the sunny window all the time and you work outside outdoors a lot and you're wearing this SPF, this is not actually going to protect you the way you want it to protect you. Okay, so this is definitely not a very amazing SPF in terms of actually being an SPF. It works really great as a moisturizer. It gives your skin a very healthy glow. It gives your skin a very nice feel, and it's very lightweight and all of that. But the SPF element is actually not as great as the moisturizing and other skin beneficial elements are. So that is something that I really wanted to share here out with you guys. It depends upon you whether you wanna buy it or not, or whether you wanna keep using it or not. If I'm gonna repurchase it, that's a big question mark right now. I'm gonna use it for sure. I have paid money for it, And on terms of money, it's available around 6 OMR and goes up to 10 OMR here in Oman. It's available online and in physical stores also now. I purchased this from a store in the basement of Mall of Oman. If you need details, let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna let you know from where I purchased this. And there are a lot many different products also available. So it's like K beauty products are there. Other than that, yes, it's a very aesthetic packaging. It's a K beauty product. It looks really nice. I've tried it on my skin and you've seen how it looks on my skin. It looks pretty nice, but yeah, in terms of a really great SPF, is it? Again, a big question mark. So if you like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification ताकि आप तक notification आती रहे. अगर कोई suggestion है और if you want me to make more of such videos, do let me know. I can do that for you. And yes, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.